So yeah, there she is without the front fender and the mirrors. I've taken the mirrors off. I don't know, already I kind of like the look of it. I think I like a bobber style. And again, you can see the fender, it basically just pops right off. It's got 3 struts on each side. Again, you can see that it's actually, there's no rust on either fender, really. They're dirty. The struts need to be polished up, maybe repainted or chromed. I haven't decided yet. I might just paint them black. But everything came off, half an hour's work. And now I can get at everything a little easier. I'm going to start polishing. As soon as the parts arrive from England, I will restore the ignition back to the single fire and put the decompression back in. And I think I'm going to ride it as a bobber. I might take the silencer off as well. Where I live, there's no noise loss. Kids ride around with loud mufflers all the time, so I really don't care. Anyway, there she is.